Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Gocardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in gocardless.com and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Gocardless account. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Login. Log into your account using your Gocardless credentials and you'll end up on the home page of your Gocardless account. Now tap on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page and click on Company Info. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on Request Account Closer option. Choose a reason for closing your account, tick mark on the box to confirm deletion of your Gocardless account and tap on Close My Account option. This is how you can delete your Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.